Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Stock Thesis. Let's just quickly go through this disclaimer. I'm not a registered analyst. Unless as mentioned, these videos are just for educational purpose. They're not tips, not trading ideas. Kindly consult your investment advisor before taking any trading decision. Let's just quickly go through motive of this channel. I'm starting this channel from today. The motive of this channel is to share my education regarding trading, create a strong trading community, create an practical trading oriented community, not rather just the community which mm, trades on just some random indicators. Rather, we together will study few practical applications on how indicators can be used for trading. We'll mostly focus on swing trading. We'll mostly focus on analysis, education, of how swing trading works, how to select stocks for swing trading, and more on. Let's just quickly jump into our topic for the day. As we all know, exit polls have shown that existing government will be forming new government with a clear majority. It is obvious for the stock market when an existing government stays after an election. It is positive because the decision taken in the prior terms are continued and there are no major changes in the government. So as per this, the Nifty and Bank Nifty both indexes are expected to have a sharp up move on Monday, and depending on the results on Tuesday, it will decide that the move will sustain or not. Now let's just quickly jump on to analysis of Nifty. I won't make it complicated at all. Also, we'll study some stocks which are potential uh, stocks which can give good gains after the results. Let's just quickly start. I think. As you all know, why Nifty was taking a U-turn after reaching its all-time high. Probably this trend was the reason. Okay, so basically Nifty is trading into parallel channel since many days. You can say since like what is this, December. So approximately 5 months Nifty is trading into this channel. Okay, so now this we can see this is around 50% of this rally. So this was a potential reversal zone. Now, as you all know, total elections we are expecting an up move. So basically, if 23,158, this is the level. If it is broken, we'll just mark this. If this time the range is broken, we can expect a good move like around. You never know, depends on how the results come. But if this high is taken, 23,100 approx, we can see good move of 500 points. So we'll just quickly note down whatever we have studied. This is the stock of the list which we'll be studying. Okay, so this is what we are expecting for indexes. Now let's quickly jump onto few stocks. I'm going to share analysis on few stocks, education about few stocks which I feel have some potential. Let's just go on to LIC. Okay, so this is a plain charts. You can see nothing. As we can see, it gave a good breakout of this kind of, you can say, double bottom. This double bottom, it was a double bottom formed after a nice rally. So this is a double bottom. We'll just quickly check out the volumes. As you can see, the volumes were dry during this double bottom formation. It gave a breakout with a nice volume, and this is kind of a retest. If you can see, it has just come in. So we can also, I have some another setup which I use personally for trading swing stocks. I'll just show you. This is nothing but three indicators, as you know: 20 moving average, 10 moving average, and 15 moving average. So what I personally follow is, if 10, 20, and 50, if this is the how it is, like 10 is above, 20 is in between, and 50 is below that. So this is the constant thing. If then whenever stocks come near that around 10 MA or 20 MA, if it gives some positive signal, like here we can see, it has given an reversal, classic reversal. Red candle with the inverted hammer with positive green candle with good volume. So I'll just show you the volumes also. So as you can see, the green candle was with good volumes compared to previous two candles. So what we can study is like potentially LIC a long position can be initiated for study purpose around above 1015. Just keep marked that the target of this. Again, this is not trading debts. So what we can expect is 1:3 risk to reward. Just quickly note it. Let's quickly do it. Again, I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. Analysis mentioned as just for education purpose. No tips, no trading ideas can be considered an investment advice before taking a decision. Okay, so next stock which we are going to study is REC. In detailed videos will also try to learn my setup, the setup which I use for trading. Okay, so REC, which we can see, gave a good breakout from around level of 492. Recently, it gave a high breakout. Now I'll show this setup. Okay, so this is trending. First, it took a support around 10 MA. Now it has formed a candle of around 20 MA, which shows kind of support. So what we can do is not directly jump into the stock, just initiate buy position for study purpose about 555. Okay, so we can initiate a buy position for 555 with a rest reward of this candle of 1:3 minimum. Okay, so REC is like RNT 555, stop loss 526, target 630 for educational purpose only. I'll show you one interesting thing about IT index. You can see that IT index is going around some support levels. You can see this is kind of good congestion and support level zone for IT index. If IT reclaims this level of 32,700, we can see a good rally in IT of around 5 to 10%. I'll just mark few important zones for IT. Coming around a good support zone, but as we can see, this has given a sell side signal. But let's just see what happens. But yes, it has a good potential. If it forms a green candle of this, if it forms a green candle here, negating this previous red candle. I'll show you stock which has on support level on Nifty ID. This, as you can see, Infosys is currently trading at a good support level. If this low is not broken, we can see around a good level. Let's keep the stock in our radar. Extremely low risk and high reward slip. This is kind of, let's just note it. And yes, we'll track our stocks every weekend. This is basically what we are studying for low risk. Now, one another good stock I have is State Bank of India. State Bank of India, if you go on weekly chart, it's consolidating around all-time high. If you can see, it gave a good breakout of 781, retesting it. We'll go on a daily time frame. Let's just go to our moving average part. You can see it is taking support of 10-20 moving averages. The moment it breaks 841, we can see a great move in State Bank of India. Let's just quickly mark it. The moment this breaks this, the minimum C1 is to 3. Entry about 140 for educational purpose. We'll keep a sell for educational purpose at around 817 and target will be 1 is to 3, that is 920 approx. So guys, for the first video, as a quick recap, if index Nifty breaks 23,100, a new high of 23,500 is possible. We'll just quickly see it on charts also. Nifty is trading in this channel as we saw. Take took multiple resistances as the line around 4 times. Yes, the fifth time it will touch, it will surely break this. Most probably when we can see around 23,500 levels. Once this all-time high is taken out, then we saw LIC. LIC once this long position can be immediately executed for educational purpose only with one is to the risk reward. REC Limited we saw. REC Limited we won't we'll just observe and watch, study. If this candle is negated by a complete green candle, we can initiate long position for education purpose. Next is State Bank of India we saw. It will immediately come into focus on it crosses 840. Last stock we saw is State Bank of India. Sorry, Infosys. Infosys is great to study how it works. This candle is inverted hammer. It is bearish, but unless and until the low of this candle is broken on daily basis, we cannot decide this is bearish or not. Okay, so this was a quick recap of what we studied for this video. Again, the disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered analyst, and this is mentioned just for educational purpose, no tips, no trading ideas. Kindly consult your investment advisors before taking any decisions. Most welcome for any feedbacks on the YouTube. This is my first video. Pardon me for some of my mistakes. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.